best advice enyegolo Evangelist Ebuka Obi. This still remains the best advice for him, and this is the advice he is going to stick to, and we, the lovers of him, are going to stick to this advice. Gente. Gente. Gente.
Say fear not.
Fear not.
Number 2, fear not.
Fear not.
Number 3, fear not.
Fear not.
Number 4, fear not.
Fear not.
Number 5, fear not.
Fear not.
Number 6, don't allow them to
intimidate you.
And number 7, hold on to God.
Hold on to God. This remains the best advice ever given to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So since the person fear not, fear not, fear not, and don't allow them to intimidate you, hold on to God. Since the person is carrying out every single thing contained in the advice in your ear, or any problem there, ba? You want to go? Ebuka, fear not. 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 Do not allow them to intimidate you. Hold on to God. Fear not. Agwagidoru into 5 times. So, do you want him now to succumb to intimidation? The best advice ever given to Evangelist Ebuka Obi, which he is operating with, he has not deviated from that advice, and he will never deviate from that advice. One no jadro, and intimidation enu and intimidation ana. Go. We gallant. I learned it, Mr. Peter Odi. If Motalo from a madman, how many years later? I learned it from a madman. If a Peter Obi Motalo from a madman, over how many years? Oshefubohe, Owewuruzie, nke Evangelist Ebuka Obi Motalo from Onyamuma Dike na ewu. Onyamuma Dike ma na ewu. Nyake shoko shefu. It doesn't matter. Ebe agha ahụ si abịa. Whether no sinenu go sinana, whether no sinugu no sinandoda, whether no si from anywhere. The fact remains that no Onyamuma Dike ma na ewu. Say Evangelist Ebuka Obi, fear not. Pokwa yozo, fear not. Oh, pokwa yozo, fear not. Oh, we pokwa yozo, fear not. Oh, we pokwa sa yozo, fear not. O kwugidori ekwu yuzi ifu ugboro ise, and if Onyamuma Dike ma na ewu. Kwugidori kwu yuzi ise. Gosiri na odo convinced. The spirit mepelie agha niile ana anu Evangelist Ebuka Obi, even the current one, because Onyamuma Chineke na-emepe Onyamuma of ife ka ya eme. So Chineke mepelie anya we gosi ife na-eme, we gosi ihe nke kadu n'iru ka ya eme. O we nye Evangelist Ebuka Obi that advice, which is gonna Nyatu no jo. Do not fear. Do not have any fear. Do not tolerate any fear. Do not entertain any fear. And don't ever allow them to intimidate you. Be it who. Because when you mean by don't ever allow them, be it who. Onyo sokoli enya wolo. Do not allow them to intimidate you. And we accepted that advice. Chitakwana si n'ebe a na-adụ nwa nwelu nnodu ka nke na-enweghị nne, ka si n'ebe a na-adụ nwa na-enweghị nnodu ka nke nwelu nne na na-amụta or something like that. So ka a na-enye Evangelist Ebuka Obi advice ya, ndị dụ ka anyị nọlụkwa na-amụlụ. That is why you see us. We don't entertain any fear. Because n'ebe a nọ na-enye Evangelist Ebuka Obi advice ya, ka anyị nwa nọ na-amụlụkwa we took that advice with him. We held on to that advice. We will continue to hold on to that advice. We are not even going to leave that advice anytime soon. Fear not, and never allow yourselves to be intimidated. And hold on to God. We are holding on to God. That is why we have decided to wrestle against Matthias. Nando tue. Ndesere na chukwu ha na hold on to. Ayano. You got to go. Ndesere na ha ewuta darkness upon our land. We are wrestling against them. So it means we are still holding on to God. So the advice was a well-calculated advice. Onye amụma dị ike na-ewu ewu ma na-afụ ụzọ. Nyochasichara nya no presently, full through the future, even up till today, he saw it clearly before he prepared the mind of the man of God, the prophet of God. He got to go to be ready for what is to come. Always here. Every minute when he came that aga nwere ike si n'ugwu na ndịda si n'ebe niile ụwa sọtụrụ wee bịa mana nwa m Ebuka asị gị atụ n'ụjọ amana jijiji ada na mba ekwekwana ka fa megide gị ekwekwana ka fa maja agụ ekwekwana ka ha yije agụ. And we are still standing on that advice. We go nowhere. You gotta go. The first advice we find advice ndị ọzọ a na-enyezikwo gbakwunyere isi na fear not. Ọ gbakwunyere isi na do not be intimidated. And ọ gbakwunyere isi na hold on to God. Ọ karịghị etu a ka Chineke were aka emezie okwu a. Mgbatuso ozi a mee ka ndị niile was Zionite all over the world, and all the lovers of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and the only one a Christian, whatever that is going on in your life as a matter of your faith and trust in God, your belief in God. Fear not, and also do not allow them to intimidate you, including Matthias and his kingdom. Do not allow them to intimidate you. And lastly, hold on to God, the author and finisher of your faith. Hallelujah. Here I go. So, share this video. Here I go. God on.